The Second Step Early Learning Program has 28 weekly themes, divided into 5 units. Each weekly theme features short, daily activities that can fit easily into your day. The program integrates a variety of learning strategies, such as puppets, story and discussion, skill practices for small groups and the whole class, brain builder games that develop executive function skills, songs written to well-known melodies, and visual aids. There are 28 take-home activities for families to do together. You can also get program materials, helpful videos, and planning resources on the web. In this one box, you have all the materials you need to teach young kids self-regulation and social-emotional skills.